Hey attorney, may karapatan ba ako sa condo ng ex-boyfriend ko kahit wala akong ambag sa pagbayad nito? Naging stay-at-home mom ako sa anak namin at 6 years kaming nag-live-in before we broke up. Yes, you are entitled to half of the value of the condo kahit na wala kang financial contribution sa pagbili nito if number one, nag-live-in kayo or nagsama sa isang bahay as if you were husband and wife. Number two, pareho kayong single at that time or legally capacitated to marry each other. For example, hindi ka kabet or hindi mo siya kabet. Number three, the condo was acquired during the live-in relationship. And number four, you contributed to the household through domestic work. This is based on Article 147 of the Family Code and on Supreme Court decisions that say work or industry is not limited to money. So, domestic work, childcare, and maintaining the household is considered as a valid contribution to the partnership. So, ibig sabihin yung pag-aalaga mo ng anak ninyo, pagpapatakbo ng bahay, o pagtulong sa partner mo para makatrabaho siya ng maayos, lahat ng ito ay kinikilala ng batas as valid contribution that make you entitled to half of the property acquired during cohabitation. So, hindi ka pwede basta-bastang palayasin ng ex-boyfriend mo or ibenta niya yung condo without your consent. This is Attorney Bernice Piñol Rodriguez. Remember, know your rights and do what's right.